Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 30th, 2020. Going to give you all the update in Cardano. Yes, we're going to talk about Cardano and whether or not we're seeing some changes occur on the price chart. Now, it doesn't have to be confusing, and that's not what we're going to talk about. It's simply going to show you the value of where the trap's trying to take this particular cryptocurrency. It's that simple. This is your first time watching the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification because you do not, and I repeat, you do not want to miss out on the videos that we are delivering to this particular platform. So the last time we did our video in Cardano was about 3 or 4 days ago, August the 27th, 2020. And you can see already our expectations into the market for Cardano was for us to see lower price. Now, it happened quicker than what we expected. I mean, when we did our video in Cardano, the market was trading around 11 cents. So right here is where we created and where the market was trading at that particular time. The market came all the way down to 10.5 cents on that same day. So hopefully you was able to take advantage of it. If you didn't, you missed out. Market recovered slightly, but you can tell that the trap has been so far unsuccessful at breaking 12 cents as the restriction level. So that lets you know something. That 12 cent area is massive. It's major in the sense of allowing Cardano to go higher. Now, look at this. Okay. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this first. So 10.5 cents, 4.92%. Good, great, done. Let's get rid of it. Now, something I want to talk about and show you real quick. Okay, there is a divergence going on in the market for Cardano, which continues to show you that weakness is still there. It is still being reflected on this price chart. Let me show you. So, as we saw the market in Cardano go higher in price, okay, look at this. The market in Cardano, the participation of the market is getting lower. That's the divergence. We're not seeing an active participation of the market wanting to see Cardano go higher. And in the next 6 hours and 14 minutes, if this volume remains lighter than the day before, then definitely it tells me that the trap, he's not that interested in breaking price above 12 cents. Not at this time. Okay. So that's the divergence that you need to pay attention to into the market for Cardano. Another thing, is the market in Cardano still trending lower in price? Because yesterday we broke out from that descending line. But today, it doesn't mean that the market is not going to follow it, going lower and lower each trading day. So we're going to continually hold that line, okay? Because I want to see maybe on the next trading day if Cardano is going to come back down and touch that descending line. Very plausible. But like I told you, the weakness is still here in this space. And when you look at Cardano on a weekly time frame, the market is still giving us hints of weakness, right? The trend in higher price has already been touched. That's why we're seeing the bounce into the market in Cardano right now from the weekly perspective. Now, when you look at it on a monthly, the market in Cardano extremely looks weak, right? The only positive thing is that the market already came and tagged 10 cents for support. That needs to hold, period. I don't care what nobody else tells you, that 10 cent for the long term has to hold. Now, it's being successful at it right now. But when you look at the market on the weekly, you really don't see any strength being placated out just yet. And then on top of that, your next focus area is 12 cents. We will not be going higher. And I'm telling you this too. The market in Cardano will not be going higher if we do not see it break up above 12 cents. So expect that area from 10 cents to 12 cents to be the battleground. That's where it is. So right now, the market so far is containing itself. It is steady. It is not being irrational. It is holding its own. But going forward, what do you see? We see this 12-cent area in the market in Cardano for restriction. That's what we're seeing. All right. So now we are going to follow and create the battleground. Okay. And it's right here in this vicinity. Okay. Now, it might try to come up here towards 12.5. So just to allow that margin of error, we're going to increase it up there to that particular location. But this is the area of contention that we all need to focus on as we trade over the next couple of days, right here. Okay. If we see more strength in this area, then the market in Cardano is going to continue to go higher price. If we don't, you understand that we're going to go low in price. That simple. Now the question that you may be asking, okay, what do you see? Currently, I see the market, when I look at it on a monthly and weekly time frame, to continue to go lower. But mixed in, we will see prospects and potential to see the market go higher. Hence why we create a restriction around 12.5 cents. Okay. So for this particular forecast, we're going to continue to play some weakness into the market. Now, I'm not really saying that the market is all that weak. Okay, just relax. But when I look at it on a weekly and monthly time frame, as I stated earlier, this market is going to bounce in between our forecast area. Okay, so yeah, we can see the market actually go up to around 12 cents, 12.5 cents. Won't be a problem at all. You know what? We're going to play this on the daily time frame. I'm not going to look at this on a weekly and monthly, even though those two time frames are showing us weakness. We're going to play the strength on the daily though for this forecast. Okay. So yeah, we're going to play this on the daily. We're going to continue to allow the trap show us his hand, and we're going to play this market moving higher in price. TP is going to be at 12 cents. Okay. But again, 12.5 cents won't be a problem into the market for Cardano. And that's it. Now, your prediction. What's your forecast? Let us know in the comment section. And tell us your TP. Where do you see the market in Cardano tagging going forward into the future? Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you on the next one.